my god, it's 11:28. We have a meeting at 11:30. We still have to check out of our hotel, and
I haven't even packed.
Girl, we overslept because we were in LA for a photo shoot, and I'm just trying to put my face on.
I'm just trying to look good.
Also, don't tell my boss I overslept.
Should be hella mad.
Girl, how you gonna put eyeliner on in like less than a minute?
I have to do it.
Oh my god,
I'm not my best without my wings. Oh my god, the time is flying away just like my winged eyeliner. Oh my god, okay.
Stop.
Done. Highlights.
Brush out my brows.
Okay, wait. Oh my god, kind of cute. Alright.
I'm still so messy. Oh my god, I need Flora tint on my.
Look how cute my Benetton is. Oh.
It's okay.
I'm done.
Girl, I'm slow. What?
I'm done.
I need more. Oh my god, it's already a minute. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.